Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. So guys, this episode starts off from where last week's episode ended off, which is where Usamke and Unengelosi are having a conversation while Unengelosi is sipping on some drinks, sipping on her beers there, you guys. So Samke, they're continuing the conversation after uNokuzana uNengelosi dropped the bomb ukuthi uPhetheni cheated on her husband, you guys. Now we know ukuthi the previous season we were speculating ukuthi uVusi, he's not a Dlamini, guys. Could this be it? Could this be part of the secret that uPhetheni has been hiding? So anyway, uSamke is saying to Nengelosi ukuthi hayibo uPhetheni unemfihlo. Then uNengelosi is like, hayi Samke nawe musu umbuzi imibuzi mingaka ungifisa ngekhanda nje. uSamke is like, how? Angithi sesiqalile inkulumo nje na, like asale sesiqhubeka ke. And then uNengelosi says kahle bo nestina, kahle bo nestefe Samke. Yazi usufana nalo Ben 10 wami engimqoshileyo because of the same things. uSamke is like, how? Ngiyabona nje ukuthi unestress eNengelosi. She picks up the bottle, uSamke picks up the bottle. She's like, yazi khona engiyaziyo. Like to say ukuthi kukhona itshwala engiwaziyo that I know ezokhipha le stress seBen 10. Then she's like, Makhumalo, kusho ukuthi Makhumalo is one of the helpers there kwaMbalenhle. uSamke is like, Makhumalo, awulethi thu lapha lapho. I'm just like, uSamke, she's trying to get uNengelosi more drunk so uNengelosi can ease up and, continue to spill the beans. So uNengelosi goes on to say, yazi ngani yami, she was such a blessing to me. Yile eyashona uNtombi kayise. Then uSamke is like, uNtombi kayise konje yilona othi uPhetheni khona into ayaziyo ngokushona kwakhe. uNengelosi is like, hey, akekho nje owaziyo ukuthi what happened to uNtombi kayise. Angazi nami iqiniso lakhona, angazi what really happened to her. Then she goes on to say, kodwa ayazi uPhetheni, she is so irresponsible. Ucabanga ukuthi ukhona nje umfazi ongathitela indoda efana nonjengaye? Hayi cha, abanadanku uPhetheni, yazi. Hey, anyway, sengikhulume kakhulu Samke. Hey, athi ngithule before ngikhiphe nezingakhishwa. Yazi Samke, le ndaba akufuneki ukuthi iphume beyond these walls. Angifuni nje ifike kunjengaye nabazukulu bami. And then uSamke is like, hayi ngiyakuzwa. But I'm just like, Samke. Samke is a snake, you guys. Next scene, we see uKwenzo and uSibongile. They are out and about. They are still elokhuzana eXhopho, you guys. They are sitting outside kubalele. The weather's nice, the grass is looking green. So uSibongile is like, Kwenzo, ungakhohlwa ukuthi sikwi-break njalo. uKwenzo is like, i-break yani leyo Sibongile. uSibongile looks at uKwenzo like to say ukuthi uyazi ukuthi ngikhuluma ngani, don't act as if you don't know. And then ulokhuzana uKwenzo goes on to say, Sibongile, mina ngiyakuthanda, okay? And ngizimisela ukuthi ngikunwele. Le ndaba yama-break hayi iyagcina nje namhlanje. And then uSibongile is like, hey, okwamanje Kwenzo angazi, like how are we going to do this ngoba mina ngisebhizi ngesikolo and soon ngalana ngiyaqala ukubhala ama-exam, ama-assignments ngalapha. As she's speaking like that, uKwenzo is like, Sibongile, hlisa umoya, okay? Wena iyathanda nje uzihlupha ngezinto ezingathi shu. Then uSibongile is like, kodwa ngikhuluma iqiniso Kwenzo. uKwenzo is like, yeah, okay. This time around sizokwenza izinto ngendlela ehlukile. uSibongile then says, indlela ehlukile yiphi? And then uKwenzo is like, ake ngithi nje, maybe ngizokufonela njalo ebusuku yabo, ukuze mini uzoba naso isikhathi sokuthi ubhekane nemfundo zakho. And then maybe, just maybe, emini we can text one another if kunesimo esiphuthumayo or if kukhona into ebalulekile okumele ukuthi siyikhulume, yabona? uSibongile looks like she's doubting everything that uKwenzo is saying, and she's like, hey, Kwenzo yikuthi ngiyasaba ukuthi sizophinde siqhelelane like njengasekuqaleni. And then uKwenzo is like, angeke wenzeke lokho, ngizohlezi ngilana Sibongile. And then it's like, hayibo yini leyana? Usibongile looks over there and she's like, yini? And then uKwenzo like, ngalana. She turns her head back, kanti uKwenzo is right in her face, and then they kiss there and there. I guess a mini break up or a mini break is over because there is Usibongile kissing her man, you guys. Next scene, we see uNengelosi. She is quite Dlamini, guys. Petty glass, yeah, wine. She's drinking wine there in the kitchen. uPhetheni walks in with the wine bottle. So uPhetheni is like, yazi angivumelani nophuza kwakho, kodwa ke ngiyazi ukuthi uyazithandela nje. So anyway, this is for you. She gives uNengelosi the wine bottle. uNengelosi looks at uPhetheni and she's like, yeah, wasungispoila kangaka ntombi yami, kwenze njani indaba? Khona-ke into oyifunayo, ufunani uPhetheni? uPhetheni is like, yazi ma ngizodinga ukuthi uqhelelane noSamke. uNengelosi is like, ini? And then she laughs, she's like, hawu kahle bo, phela mina noSamke sinje amathe nolwimi nje. uPhetheni is like, ma, uSamke uyakuyuza, ukuyuzela ukuthi azokwazi ukuthi aziphindiselele like mina. Then uNengelosi is like, kahle bo, usunomona Phetheni ngoba wena nakho awunamngane. Angikaze nje ngibona umngane engenalana, yeah? uPhetheni then takes a book. There's a book there on the table. She takes a book and a pen and she writes something down. And then uPhetheni is like, nanti-ke imali engizokunika yona munyamalala uphume kuSamke. uNengelosi looks at the book and then she's like, hayi wena iyadlala. Ucabanga ukuthi ngingathelwa walento mina? Then uPhetheni then adds, she writes there and she's like, ngizo-add omunye uzero kodwa angivuleli lapho. And then uNokhuzana, uSamke, not uSamke, uNengelosi looks at the figure and then she's like, hayi ke manje uyakhuluma ke manje ntombi yami. Yabona-ke, she takes her cloth, she drinks wine, she kisses the book. Kusho ukuthi whatever figure le uPhetheni ayibhalile, it's a lot of money because uNengelosi, listen, she's on cloud 7 after seeing that figure. And then uNengelosi is like, I get cheers. Wabuya unenge. Kusho ukuthi she feels like sekacabanga ukuthi hey upophile. Bazobona ngayo ukuthi hey sekavukile. Next scene, right after uNengelosi has a conversation noPhetheni, uSamke is making a phone call. We can't see who she's making a phone call to, but all we see uNengelosi answering a phone call. uNengelosi is like, hey Samke. She looks around the house. Angithi she can't be friends with uSamke because she took a deal noPhetheni or from uPhetheni. uNengelosi is like, hey Samke, ufunani? uSamke is like, how? Akusiyona indlela yokubingelela umuntu omthandayo. Uyaphila kodwa. uNengelosi is like, how kahle wena? Hayi ngiright kabi mina. Khona nje manje ngisezulwini elincane nje. Hey izinto zami ziyashelela mntakwethu. And then uSamke is like, how? Uchaza ukuthini mawusho njalo? uNengelosi is like, ngisho ukuthi yabona izinto zami zihamba kahle mntakwethu, angifuni nje lutho ezongiphazamisa. uSamke is like, okay, hayi ke ma, kuyangijabulisa lokho. Kusho ukuthi uthole uthando olusha, siyakuhalelisela. Phela ubuye ukhumbule ukuthi kukhona abantu abakhumbulayo. Nami nje ngiyakukhumbula ngalana. I mean like ngikhuluma indaba zethu esizixoxayo nje, indaba zethu zakudala. uNengelosi is like, kahle wena. Usafuna ukungibuyisela emuva, ufuna ukungitshela ngendaba zakudala? Hayi, angisekho lapho. Ikusasa lami liqhakazile. I'm just like, yo, the way uNengelosi is tormenting uSamke ever since uPhetheni promised her that money. uSamke is like, oh, okay, kodwa-ke kungenzeka ukuthi ngelinye ilanga uzithole as uSamke is trying to speak like that. uNengelosi is like, hayi kahle wena, awungiyeke nje. Toodles. Bye-bye. She hangs up like that, guys. I'm just like, uNengelosi is so rude for her. I mean, uPhetheni, uSamke has been there for her And if she truly believes ukuthi uSamke is her friend, like for her to drop uSamke nje kanjalo, guys, unengelosi athengeka angeke. That time uSamke, when she realizes ukuthi unengelosi dropped the phone, ingathi une-stress, guys, because angithi she's planning her revenge kuSamke, and obviously if unengelosi is not in it, she doesn't have much proof or nothing to, plot something heavy on uPhetheni. Next scene uVelephi uhlele ekamereni lakhe, she's pressing her phone. uSangweni walks into the room. uSangweni looks a bit irritated. He's like, kahle kahle ucabanga ukuthi uyini lo mama lo, ucabanga ukuthi uyini? Then ulokhuzana uVelephi looks up, she's like, yini? You can see uVelephi, she's not in the mood. uSangweni is like, ucabanga ukuthi kulesi sikhathi esincane leso uma adlule ngaso emhlabeni, ucabanga ukuthi uzoza la ekhaya athathe intambo azenzele umathanda? uVelephi then says beka desperate ngaleyo ndlela vele. uSangweni is like, yile nto engiyishoyo, desperate lo muntu ngeke. Isikhathi esincane kangaka akakwazi nokulinda unyaka nje lona nje. Usuka nje uyafika uyatheleka nje la ekhaya, like uyazenzela. Ngeke Velephi, ngeke ngiyivume leyo nto. uVelephi is like, yes, angikhona ukuthi uma beka desperate ngaleyo ndlela sengaze acele uma kakwenza pho imessage yokuthi azomsiza. And then you just see tears rolling down uVelephi's face. uSangweni is like, sikhuluma ngani manje? Because you can see ukuthi they are speaking about two different things. uVelephi is like, yazi ngiyacabanga la ukuthi iy'nsuku zama emhlabeni zokugcina shuthi bezibuhlungu ngoba akekho umuntu owafika wamsiza even after egcine imfihlo kaMakakwenzo. uSangweni is like, Velephi sikhuluma ngani manje? uVelephi is like, nami Sangweni angisazi ukuthi sikhuluma ngani, because shuthi-ke we will forever ask ourselves ukuthi what secret was that uma bekayigcinile imfihlo kaPhetheni? What secret was that and what was it about? uSangweni is like, angazi, kodwa mina into engiyishoyo Velephi yile yalo mama, ngeke aphinde abeke lo mconjane wakhe la ekhaya. Inkinga yakhe akalaleli. Dala ngimtshela ukuthi angaphinde abeke umcondo wakhe la ekhaya, uyabuya. Ngiyamkhuza izolo or ngimkhuze izolo, uyabuya namhlanje. Ngiyamkhuza namhlanje, uyabuya kusasa. Kodwa nazi Velephi, ngeke aphinde abeke umcondo wakhe la ekhaya. Khuleka nje, bheka mina nje, ubheka zonke izinto la ezandleni zami, like angizodelisha naye nje. And then the scene just ends like that. I'm just like, hayi kwaze kwanzima, you guys. And I did say last week, because I saw uVelephi going through izinto zikaDeliwe and her phone, and I'm just like, is unokhuzana uVelephi going to bump into something? Could it be that uVelephi is going to have the Dlamini secrets in her hand? And what will she do with it if she does find that information? Next scene we see still at the Mbambo household. uVuma is drinking tea there, and then uMandulo walks in. uMandulo is like, Makeza, hi, ngeke. Buka nje, she's showing him ingathi like the one in Faidukwe, guys. It's a kitchen towel, and then that other lela gedle lenyana, the one that they used to pour in milk, something like that. She's like, buka nje, yazi ngizithole phi lezi zinto? Zingcolile, ziyanuka, zimanzi, zihlele edrawini neyiphuni. Onke kuhlangene nje, ngeke Makeza, uyamdinga umuntu wesifazane, ngeke bhuti. Then uVuma's like, sisi, ngiphuma ukuyodeliver manje, ngikhathele sisi, bengisacela ukuphumula nje. uMandulo's like, uyamdinga umuntu wesifazane Makeza, uyayithanda wena lento eyenzekanayo la endlini, iy'phuni zihleli namatshatsha ndawonye ezimanzi, ayibo kuhlangene konke eshelfini elilodwa. Hayi ngeke Makeza. Then uVuma's like, sisi, mina obeke itshaja ney'phuni ndawonye, angazi mntakamama. uMandulo's like, kodwa-ke Makeza uyamdinga umuntu wesifazane. uVuma uyambona ukuthi uphele amandla, he's like, ungayi lapho. uMandulo's like, uSamke uyakuthanda Mageza futhi iqiniso siyalazi sonke ukuthi uSamke azange abulale umakalokhuzana umakasibongile. Ngiyacela nje cela umxolele and then uVuma's like sisi bengisacela ukuthi siyiyeke lento angithandi ngalento leli khaya asiliyeke nje lingenamama uMaNtuli is like hayi ngeke Mageza engikushoyo mina ngixolele kuphela nje. Then the scene ends like that. Next scene kwaNomfundo uThemba is packing his stuff. I don't know if he's packing school stuff or soccer stuff angazi, but anyway uNomfundo is having a conversation with him there. She's saying to him usendleleni. As she's saying usendleleni, then we see uOlisi at the door and then uNomfundo's like, oh wavela wafika. Olisi comes in, he's like, hello. He kisses Nomfundo on her forehead, and then Nomfundo's like, hey. Then Olisi is like, hey, Nkunzimalanga, speaking to uThemba. Then uThemba's like, yebo. Olisi says, ngikuletele lamateki ke. He gives uThemba a box. uThemba's like, oh, awami. Alice is like, yes, phela wena you the main man. Bengifuna ukuthi nje wena congratulations for making it to the provincial team. Yabona lawa, lamateki nje it's limited edition. uThemba's like, yo ngiyabonga kakhulu hayi ma. Phela lamabhutsi like umuntu sengathenga umuzi lana. uNomfundo's like, wow, and then uLokhuzana, uOlisi and uNomfundo lost like that. uNomfundo's like, boy, yenza masinyane phela isikhathi siyahamba. As she's speaking like that, uNjengayo walks in. But you can see when uNjengayo walks in, he's surprised to see uOlisi. uNjengayo's like, how? Kanti ukhona wena lana? And then uLokhuzana, you can see they're undermining one another for uThemba's attention. uOlisi is like, yeah, Njengayo. uNjengayo is like, mfana. Then uThemba's like, baba. uNjengayo is like, hayi, yabona wena, ngiyaziqhenya ngawe. Yabona wena ngikuphathele nje enye i-surprise mfanami. Yabona mina nawe siyahamba siyobona enye player namhlanje edlalela iKaizer Chiefs. uThemba's like, uLokhuzana uNjengayo is like, namhlanje ebusuku. uThemba's like, ngempela. Yima baba yima. Like ukuhlanganise kanjani lokhu? uNjengayo is like, hayi khuleka mina phela ngenza izinto zenzeke. That time when he's saying that he's looking at uOlisi, now it's looking like a competition thing. uOlisi bought uThemba these expensive cocks, and now it looks like cause I don't know if uNjengayo he planned vele if he was coming to give uThemba those news, or because ubone amacoxi, he decided that he wanted to up his game and make uOlisi feel small through the gift that he got. But they're looking at one another in a very funny way, and uNomfundo is picking it up. Then uThemba's like, kodwa baba uma angahamba nathi angithi. And then uLokhuzana uNjengayo is like, yeah, definitely angahamba nathi. Sizoyenza nje i-family outing. Uthini ke Nomfundo? Now uNomfundo is feeling awkward because she can see her man uOlisi is kind of feeling out in, you know, like in a type of way. uThemba ngala is like, ngiyacela mama, cela uvume. uNomfundo's like, it's so awkward, you guys. I'm just like, hey, but these two men need to take a chill pill, or they need to chill because it's Themba's time to shine. This is not an opportunity for them to be competing with who's going to show Themba more love or more gifts or more appreciation than the other. Next scene, we see Samke, guys. She's busy phoning, calling there. You can see what she's drained. She's like, Ningelosi, ma, kudala ngizama ukufonela angikutholi kodwa ke bengicela ukuthi ungifonele mawuthola le message lena. I'm just like, Samke is just being desperate. 2 calls in one day for what? Because she can see ukuthi uNengelosi is kind of distancing herself. As she's leaving that voice message, uSangweni walks in. Then uSamke is like, oh mntanami. uSangweni is like, ungaqali. Yiyona nto nje engayifuni ngawo. Yazi wena mama, ever since wafika la ekhaya, iy'nkinga nje azipheli. Kahle umuntu oyinkinga wena umuntu oyinkinga lana. Usamke looks at him and she's like, uthini? Usangweni then says, yini ekuhlanganisa nobaba? Usamke just keeps quiet. Usangweni is like, okay, uyahluleka ukukhuluma. Hlukana nobaba ke. Hlukana nomndeni wethu nempilo. As he's speaking like that, uVelephi out of nowhere, he's like, Sangweni, ngicela ukuthi uhlise umoya. And then she looks at Usamke, she's like, cela ungamnaki bandla. Usangweni just walks out like that. UVelephi is like, ngizocela ukuthi umxolele, ungamnaki. Then Usamke looks at uVelephi trying to keep calm. She's like, vele angimnakile. Usangweni ulimele. Nilimele njengokushona kwama wenu. So Usangweni, he's going to spill his pain onto anyone who gets in his way. UVelephi is like, yeah. Then ulokhuzana, Usamke is like, how? So nemali yokuthenga amafoni amasha. Kodwa ne ibukeka ingathi indala nje. Ulokhuzana uVelephi is carrying ifone kadeliwe. UVelephi then says, oh, ifone kama le bekade isebenzise. Awungitshele auntie. Bekade zama ukuphumana nawo uma. Yazi, I just realized ukuthi uma kakwenzo uPhetheri noma bebezwana kakhulu futhi. Futhi ke she had a great impact on her life. Yingakho nje uma uze wayongena emgodini enqamela ukuthi afe nemfihlo kaMarakwenzo. Then Usamke is like, imfihlo? UVelephi is like, yeah. And then Usamke is like, mntanam, ngathi le phone izowenzela iyinkinga nje kakhulu. Ithi ngikubambele yona. Ngoba if you keep going through it, like izokwenza ukuthi uthathe isikhathi sokuthi uphole. Ngizokubambela yona, letha la mntanami. And then uVelephi gives Usamke the phone. Usamke is like, no, the phone is in good hands. uVelephi is like, ngiyabonga ma. And then Usamke is like, wozalana, and she hugs uVelephi. That time she's smiling because I remember guys, when this scene opened up, Usamke is trying to call Unengelosi, right? And it just feels like literally like the information of her having something on uPhetheni fell into her hands by uVelephi walking into the store. That time, ulokhuzana Usamke, she's smiling as she's holding or as she's hugging uVelephi because she knows ukuthi, yay, her plan, kusho ukuthi izoqhubeka and she's going to get more evidence on not evidence or more stuff on uPhetheni. We don't know if she's going to find anything on this phone, but I am just surprised ukuthi uVelephi was that willing to just hand over the phone kuSamke nje kanjalo. Hey guys, asals. Anyway, let's park it right there because that's where the episode ends. Guys, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Guys, please do make sure you watch the ads. That is just your way of showing support towards the channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.